The greatest love story ever told. William Shakespeare, born in Stratford in 1564 and gone from this world in 1616. What if the greatest love story in history was Shakespeare's Romeo and Juliet turned forbidden love, family hatred into an unforgettable masterpiece? In Verona, two powerful families were locked in a bitter feud. In Romeo Montague was a passionate young man were locked, searching for a love that could heal his heart. Across Verona lived Juliet Capulet, whose life was controlled by her powerful family. One night, Romeo secretly entered a Capulet ball, and everything changed. Across the crowded room, Romeo saw Juliet, and instantly they fell in love. Then came the cruel discovery. Romeo was a Montague, and Juliet was a Capulet. But their love was stronger than hatred, and Romeo secretly visited Juliet beneath her balcony. They promised to remain together forever, despite the danger surrounding them. With the help of Friar Lawrence, Romeo and Juliet secretly married, hoping their union would end the feud. But violence soon returned when Tybalt challenged Romeo and killed his friend Mercutio. Consumed by grief and anger, Romeo fought Tybalt and killed him. Romeo was banished from Verona, leaving Juliet behind just after their secret marriage. Then Juliet was ordered to marry Paris, and she desperately searched for a way to escape. Friar Lawrence gave her a dangerous plan, a potion that would make her appear dead. Juliet drank the potion, and her family found her apparently lifeless the next morning. But Romeo never received the secret message explaining the plan. He believed Juliet was truly dead. Romeo reached the quiet chamber and saw Juliet in an enchanted sleep, believing his greatest love was gone forever. Their love was separated by fate, but their story brought two families together, and their love became eternal.